Sadness is inevitable, and all perceived negative emotions eventually lead to sadness. So we need to be able to feel our sadness to allow ourselves to learn and grow. It offers us an opportunity to feel lighter when we be with our sadness. I'm Kay, and our video teaches how to let go of sadness. First step, be with your thoughts. Actually acknowledge what it is that is making you feel that sadness. You need to be able to isolate those thoughts to be able to let them go. Next step, feel your sadness. Once you actually know what it is that's creating that sadness in your life, then you need to actually feel it. Actually feel it. Be with that sensation in your body and in your mind. Next step, allow yourself to cry. There's no need to hold back your tears. Tears are healing. So many of us have been taught not to cry because it makes us look weak or whatever else. In my opinion, tears come with strength because through those tears, you just naturally let it go from your being. So allow yourself to cry. Next step, connect with nature. She really does naturally heal us, and she'll just naturally absorb that pain and suffering that you have. So be with her and let her heal you. And our final step is let go of what holds you in sadness. Actually let go of that thought, that feeling, that dream, that whatever it may be that's holding you in a place of sadness, because until you actually let her go, the sadness is going nowhere. So it's about peeling back the layers and acknowledging one challenge at a time. We know that sadness is perceived as a negative emotion. You know, there's a lot of written material to show that. In actual fact, I see sadness as both a positive and a negative emotion. They go hand in hand. The opportunities for us to learn and grow through feeling that deep sadness it can actually end up being a really positive experience. Here in Aotearoa, NZ, we have this beautiful word, aroha. Now, I always knew aroha to mean love, but recently I actually realised that aroha means both love and sadness. So it's there in writing, you just have to look for it. I personally have experienced a great deal of sadness in my life, and I'm very, very grateful for what it's allowed me to do with who I am today. But I can honestly say that I do feel lighter now that I have let go of that sadness from my life. At the end of the day, it becomes a choice. Do you experience sadness through negativity, or do you experience sadness with love, with aroha? If you'd like to learn more about concepts like these, then please subscribe or join us at lovingactsofkindness.com. Thank you. Live a life of love.